How to cook delicious rice using chicken stock cube. Cooking rice with chicken stock cubes, or with any other bouillon cubes or granules, is one of the easiest ways to add delicious and authentic flavor to your dish. It is really simple to cook, and also makes a great side dish for just about any food. Put 2 cups of water in the pot and bring it to a boil. While slightly simmering, add the chicken stock cube to the water and wait till it dissolves. Rinse your rice under cool water by placing it in a strainer and running it under your faucet, and then add it to the water. Once the rice starts to boil, turn the heat down to low and cover the pot with a lid. You'll want to simmer it for about 15 to 20 minutes until the rice is tender and fluffy and most of the chicken broth is absorbed into the rice. Once the rice is tender, remove it from the heat and let it stay for 5 to 10 minutes so that the rice would absorb all the remaining chicken broth. Then, stir it up with the fork and serve. For more clever and delicious ways to cook rice using chicken stock cubes, follow the link in the description below the video.